welcome back to my channel. It's your girl LovelyJodiAnn bringing you back another video. So in today's video I'll be showing you my go-to hairstyle, which is my natural sleek sock bun. And if you're interested, just keep watching. I just got out of the shower, moisturized my skin. My skin's looking pretty good. And I just washed my hair, so I'm just gonna bring you guys through that entire step of what I do. So first we're gonna start off with the freshly washed hair, okay? You guys are gonna be surprised. So I have naturally 4C hair and it shrinks. So as soon as I wash it, it shrinks, okay? So this is me, this is the real me. No weaves, nothing, so it's freshly washed. As you can see, like I have like some like nice like curl pattern going on in the middle. But yeah, so my hair is natural, I have no chemicals in it. It's just all natural. So now I'm just gonna go in, part my hair in some sections, and I'm just gonna blow dry it. So I did already put on my heat protectant, and I'm just gonna blow dry my hair. So the hair oil that I use, I actually got it from Jamaica. It's called Purelene Multivitamin Black Hair Grower. And I just take a little bit on my nail, and I just like rub that in my hair. I don't make my hair too oily, but I just use that. Like it's really good for like hair growth. And then the next thing I'm going to use is my Jamaican black castor oil. Sorry, there's some oil on it. But it's honestly holy grail. And it's really good, especially for your hair growth. So I'm just going to use like a dime size. I'm going to rub that in my hair. So these are the steps I do before I blow dry my hair. So my hair can stay hydrated, and after I blow dry, it doesn't look dry. I'm going to massage out of my scalp. And then I'm just going to start blow drying my hair. So now my hair is fully blow dried. So guys, like just like the shrinkage is so real. But now yeah, my hair's all blow dried, got some body. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a hair tie, and I'm just gonna secure my hair to get some gel everywhere. Okay, so put in like a little small little bun, and then using a Bristol brush. And I need the toothbrush for my edges. I'm going to use the Pro Style Super Hold Protein Styling Gel, and I'm just gonna slick my hair. So I put it on the brush just so I can be able to slick it a bit better. So I'm just gonna like do it everywhere on my hair. You don't have to use gel, to be completely honest with you, but because like I have like naturally coarse hair that like doesn't like slick down easily, with just like using no product, I personally put gel. So the style that I'm going to be doing, I'm just going to do a nice updo bun, and honestly you can wear this style for pretty much any occasion. So I remember like growing up, like when I would go to church, I would do my hair in a slick bun because it just looked really neat and pretty like cute. So now that that's in, I'm just gonna do my edges. So if you have like really stubborn edges, I would recommend you using an edge control, but right now my edges are pretty good. So I'm just gonna use like gel like towards the front of my hair. I'm just gonna like do like little swoops. So if you don't want like a basic like slick ponytail, slick bun, you can just like do your edges to like add like a little bit of definition to the edges. So I have pretty thin edges, to be honest, if you could see. So basically the toothbrush just makes it like more slick. There are edge control brushes that you could purchase at your local beauty supply store, but a toothbrush does the job quite well. I'm just gonna take out my hair tie, and I'm just gonna really secure that ponytail in place. Let me just turn to the side so you guys can see. So sometimes like my back is very stubborn, back of my hair, so I just brush it up again. Use a head wrap and I just tie my hair down just so that the gel could set in place. So I just wrap my hair, and around this time I do my makeup, or like I'll do this before I get into the shower just so that by the time I come back out I could just put my bun in. Okay, so it's been about 20 minutes. I got my face all done. And now I'm just gonna take off my hair tie and my hair should be set. So like, yeah, so now it's like super duper duper slick. So everything is slicked down. So now for the final part of how I bring this look together. I could go out like this, but I would look like a child. But what I like to do for my go-to natural hairstyle, I like to look very classy and like very professional. And I like my hair to look very sleek. So like this, I feel like a 13-year-old. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my go-to, my sock bun. So I actually create this on my own. So I didn't go out and purchase the bun, but yeah, this is my sock, and it's just gonna create a really perfect bun for me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna comb out my hair. So comb out my little poof. And then I'm just gonna take the sock bun and put my hair through the bun. Okay? So now, to make that bun sleek, to have this nice donut shape, I'm just going to comb my hair around the bun. I'm going to take a hair tie, and I'm just going to secure my hair over the bun.
Purchase your tracks today.
There you have it. This is my go-to natural hairstyle. If you guys like it, leave some comments below. Tell me what your go-to natural hairdo is. So honestly, like whenever I take out my weaves and my braids and so forth, and like I have like a day in between of not working, I'll always just do this hairstyle because it's easy, it's simple, and it looks very sleek. So that's that. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thanks for coming back and watching another video.
I'ma make it for certain. I know it's all gonna be worth